Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this knee brace that this company sent to me for the video. That I have to say, I tried it and I was not expecting this one to be so tight, and I'm saying that in a good way. This is one of the most, if not the most, I want to say like tight knee compression brace that I tried before. Yeah, I was trying to find the words in my head because I don't want to say anything that is gonna kind of like drive you off of this super good product, because it is really expandex, I have to say, but also in the expandex thing, it's really tight. It gives you that really nice compression that you need, either, I mean, if you're recovering from something, if you are after working out, if you're using it for working out, if you're just using it to relax your muscles and just have that really nice compression you need after a really good workout, this could be the one. Comes in multiple sizes, so check your size before ordering for sure, because it comes in many sizes. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna put it right here on my knee so you can see it a little bit better on a close-up. But this one, let me show you. So I'm halfway there. I'm gonna actually finish this one right here, and you can see that now it takes me more kind of like effort to bring it up to the knee, because again, it has this kind of like bars on the side, I want to say, and also this really big compression, cushioning compression thing right here on my knee top. But also, I do have to say that this feels really good just for sports. I don't know about like recovering. I do know about sports, and I do know about after workout, because I do work out and I do play soccer as well. So this is why I think that this one for sports could be really good. You can see that it's super tight. It really compressed my knee. It's super tight, but not in a bad way. I have to say that not in a bad way. I can move freely still, but this kind of like bars over there is gonna limits my movement a little bit and have that really nice compression that I need. I think this is fantastic. I think it is really good for that thing that I told you, for like sports more than anything, but also check it out for recovery, because this could be also a good one for that. Yeah, I'm vouch for it, recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.